Okay, in the last video we entered customers. Now I'll show you how to create a schedule for those customers. Here you'll see I'm on the schedule tab, and I'll select, let's say I picked up a new 7-Eleven, so I'm going to schedule them for the first time. So I have to click them to highlight them. Come down here to schedules. No schedule on file for this customer at the time, so we will add a schedule. Pretty simple. Let's say I'm going to start tomorrow, which would be February 18th, the third Thursday of the month. And date, let's say it's a year contract, so it's going to end on the 17th of 2011. Now, a renew date. What I like to do for renew date is set it at 60 days before the contract runs out, so that I can, obviously get them to renew. So we'll just set that at 12/17/2010, and then I can print the report each month, each week, whatever I want to do, to see whose contract is expiring, and I know I have to get that business. A time, let's say we'll do them at 12 o'clock. Okay, it's contract, so we won't select billable at this time. Service is going to be ongoing. And as I mentioned, here's the important thing. You can schedule daily visits, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. But the one I use the most, because I schedule my appointments on a 4-week basis, I use same day monthly quite a bit. So again, I'll pick same day monthly. What that's going to do is that's going to schedule a visit for this 7-Eleven on the third Thursday of every month until the end date appears. Okay, what are we going to treat for? They don't have any problem, so we'll call it General Pest Control. And a note for my technician or myself: make sure to get ticket signed. Okay, now you'll see this button, Chemicals. Typically I know what I'm going to use before going out, so I like to select it ahead of time. Typically I'll use Suspend on an account like that. Maybe some Gentrol, and perhaps Kicker. Of course, later when we complete the visit, which I'll show you in the next video, you can add or change any of those pesticides that you want. Okay, so we've scheduled the visit. We're going to visit the third Thursday of every month, and now we'll process it. And here you go. Now you'll see the service dates. You're scheduled the third Thursday of every month until the contract runs out. Alright, that concludes this video. Again, in the next video I will show you how to complete a visit.